Tolsen Tools. Now before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Hi guys! Welcome! So today, ito ang i-introduce ko sa inyo. VDE line ni Tolsen. VDE line is the premium line of Tolsen. So excited ako to tell you guys ano to. So meron tayo mga screwdrivers na Phillips, Posi, tsaka flat. So 3 types tayo. So these are all VDE and GS certificated. And nag-test na siya sa 10,000 volts. Yup, 10,000 volts yan. So, unahin muna natin si screwdriver. So, this is 1/80mm screwdriver. So, magnetic din siya. Nakaka-magnet. At the same time, lahat din sila SCRV. And comfortable grip. Ang VDE line din kasi is electric proof kasi insulated lahat to. So, nakita mo pati yung dito sa may neck niya is insulated. Para kahit nahawak mo to, hindi ka makakuryente. Unless sasadyain mo, so wag naman. So, ang size niya is 1/80mm. And ito naman is 2/100mm na size. So, makikita niyo dito, it's mas mahaba to and much more thicker ang itsura niya. So, cross type C Phillips screwdriver. So, next naman is, papakita ko sa inyo, is si Posi. Now, ano ba si Posi? Si Posi kasi similar kay Phillips, but si Posi kasi meron pang in-between sa cross. So, mukha siyang star kapag tinignan nyo. So, this is 1/80mm. Then, ito ay 22/100mm na size. So, dalawa lang din ang size ni Posi at ni screwdriver, ni Phillips. Ito naman si flat, merong tatlo. So, unahin natin ito. This is 3.0/75mm. Then, this one naman is 4.0/100mm. Then, ang last na pinakamalaki is 5.5/125mm. So, si flat screw kasi is literal flat. Ayan siya. So, isang straight line lang si flat. Meron tayong available na buong set. So, ano yung inclusion ng buong set ng VDE na screwdriver set? So, 6 pieces VDE screwdrivers. Meron tayong tatlong flat screw. So, etong tatlo. Then, meron tayong dalawang Phillips. So, Phillips. Wala si Posi. But, meron tayo dito voltage tester. So, yun yung inclusion natin dito sa set. So, may voltage tester ka, tapos meron ka pang screwdrivers. Unless kakailanganin mo si Posi, then you can purchase it sa isa. Pero normally kasi sa bahay, and it's DIY for me, so this works well. Lalo na kapag kuryente yung hinahawakan ko, di ba? Nakakatakot talaga. So, I prefer this insulated one. So, that is all for today, guys. That's all what I can do today for you guys. I hope na na-enjoy niyo yung video. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa akin. Please look forward to mga future videos namin and watch our previous videos for support and for knowledge about Tolsen Products. I hope to see you guys on the next video, so stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.